Awning windows are becoming a top choice for homeowners in Auburn Hills, and for good reason. With their sleek design, superior functionality, and ability to enhance comfort and ventilation, these windows bring both style and practicality to local homes. Whether you're renovating a historic bungalow or modernizing a suburban ranch-style home, awning windows offer advantages that make them a smart investment for the Auburn Hills climate and lifestyle. Designed for year-round comfort, Auburn Hills experiences all 4 seasons, from snowy winters to warm, humid summers. Awning windows are designed to perform well in this wide range of weather conditions. Their top-hinged design allows them to open outward from the bottom, creating a natural shield against rain. This means you can keep your windows open for fresh air even during light showers without worrying about water entering your home. In winter, high-quality awning windows with insulated glass and weathertight seals help block cold drafts. The tight closure mechanism ensures better thermal insulation than many traditional windows, making it easier to keep heating bills in check while maintaining a cozy indoor environment. Superior ventilation and airflow. One of the key benefits of awning windows is their ability to promote consistent airflow. Because they open outward and upward, they naturally draw fresh air into the room while pushing stale air out. This design is especially useful in rooms that tend to trap moisture or odors, such as bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry areas. In Auburn Hills, where spring and fall bring moderate temperatures and gentle breezes, awning windows help circulate air efficiently without the need to rely solely on HVAC systems. This improves indoor air quality and creates a healthier living space for your family. Ideal for small or unusual spaces. Not all windows are meant to be large and dramatic. Awning windows are perfect for areas where space is limited or unconventional. They fit beautifully above kitchen sinks, in basement rooms, or stacked in pairs to create a modern look with increased airflow. For Auburn Hills homeowners looking to maximize both light and ventilation in tight spots, awning windows are a stylish solution. They're also commonly used in combination with larger picture windows, giving you the view and natural light of a fixed window, with the added benefit of ventilation from the awning unit. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Awning windows are built with security in mind. Because of their narrow opening angle and their placement, often higher up on walls, they're more difficult to access from the outside, which makes them a smart choice for homeowners concerned about safety. Many models feature multi-point locking systems for added protection. This makes them ideal for ground floor bathrooms or basements where privacy and security are top priorities. Auburn Hills homeowners can rest easy knowing their windows are working as hard as their doors to keep their property secure. Stylish and versatile design. Whether your Auburn Hills home leans traditional or modern, awning windows can enhance its architectural appeal. Available in a wide range of frame materials, from classic wood to durable vinyl and low-maintenance fiberglass, they can be tailored to suit your home's style and color scheme. They also complement contemporary homes well due to their clean lines and minimalist hardware. Many Auburn Hills homeowners opt for awning windows to create a modern edge without sacrificing practicality or comfort. Energy efficiency you can count on. With rising energy costs, energy efficiency is more important than ever. Awning windows often feature double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to keep your home energy smart year-round. In Auburn Hills, where summers can be humid and winters frigid, these features reduce the strain on heating and cooling systems. By minimizing energy waste, awning windows help lower utility bills, an attractive benefit for eco-conscious homeowners or anyone looking to improve their home's efficiency rating. Final thought. From their weather-friendly design to energy efficiency and stylish versatility, awning windows offer a winning combination for Auburn Hills homeowners. Whether you're upgrading your entire window system or adding ventilation to a specific room, they provide the functionality, comfort, and curb appeal that local residents appreciate year-round.